Yes,
Look
what?
what came today.
Oh,
Yeah.
what is it?
It's our Firmoo glasses.
Firmoo glasses.
Yes, we got them through the mail today.
Firmoo.
Look, everybody, Firmoo glasses.
What do they look like?
Well, let's open them and see. I haven't opened them yet.
Yeah.
Let's see. They're supposed to be unisex sunglasses.
Yeah.
Really affordable, stylish. Oh my gosh, look, they come in a hard case like this.
Huh.
That's nice.
Yeah, boy.
That's really nice.
Yeah. That keep it from getting crushed.
Yeah. Well, as dangerous as you are with sunglasses. Oh, and they send you some information about it.
Pamphlets?
Yeah,
Hey.
hold these.
All right.
Let's see.
Look at the little cover on it.
There's a little
It's
QR
pretty.
code, and there's 50% off frames here. So you get those in the package. Oh, that's nice.
I like the bag. Yeah, I like the bag.
It's probably a cleaning bag too. Like you kept them in the bag, clean your lenses
Oh,
and
yeah.
stuff.
Wipe the lenses with it.
Yeah. So let's see what they look like.
Oh, my goodness
gosh.
gracious. You know I like them.
These
Oh, my
are
goodness.
so nice.
That is nice. I love it.
Wow.
Yeah,
These are
boy.
really affordable and stylish. I think these were like $39, which is really, really good.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
And they also have prescription glasses, and you can get them. They actually updated these with the anti-reflective coating,
Oh, they
and I
did?
didn't even ask them to. Yeah, but they offer prescription
They're
glasses.
polarized.
Yeah, put them on.
Yeah, I
Let's see
like
how you
that.
look.
They look good.
Oh wow,
How they look?
those look nice. Look here,
Them all
show
style
everybody.
still. Look there. I'll tell you what, I style a profile.
Yeah,
The-
those are nice.
Yeah, they
I
are.
like them.
They're really nice, babe. I like
Yeah,
that.
I do too.
I
That's what
do.
like them
That
on.
is cool. I like that clear too.
Oh wow, these are nice
Yeah,
too.
they look good on you.
They feel good on your face.
Yeah,
Yeah, they feel really good. I like them a lot.
I do too.
They offer the prescription, and they offer these. We decided to get sunglasses. So, but my next order is I'm going to order some prescription glasses.
Yeah.
And you just go online and you fill out your prescription, and then they send them to you. It takes a few days, just like it does in the, optometrist office too. So,
Yeah.
hey, try these out. I'll put a link in the description. It'll show 50% off of these glasses that you can get.
Yeah.
So, and then they'll send you a coupon for 50% off.
All right.
We'll be fighting over these. We'll have to get us
Yeah,
another
boy,
pair.
I do. I like those.
Yeah,
I wish I had some of my old ones I'd show you.
they're really light. They
I
feel
mean, they
good
do
on your
look
face.
like a lot of my other glasses.
Mm-hmm.
They feel good. They're
And they're
polarized
clear.
too.
Yeah.
They're really
look good.
nice.
They'll match all the outfits.
Yeah, buddy.
So if
Let me
you're-
look one more time. Hang on, look. Yeah, well, look at that. I'll tell you what now. Slick.
So if you're looking for a good pair of affordable, stylish glasses,
Right here they are.
contact Firmoo
Firmoo.
in a hard case. We'll put the link in the description for 50% off and the link to the website, and you can get you a pair.
Yeah. You have to get some of these right here, and these are nice. I like them.
Yeah.
I do. I like them a lot.
Come back and see us. Thanks for watching.